Hello everyone. My name is Sandeep, and today I am discussing a topic that is on computer networks, and it is a very important topic on computer networks. That is uh, a short discussion on IP, and everyone in today's life we are having a one-to-one with IP. So everyone knows about IP. So let's have a basic uh, things about IP. So IP stands for Internet Protocol, and IP specifies the format of packets, also called datagrams, and the addressing scheme. Most networks combine IP with a higher level protocol called Transmission Control Protocol, that is also called TCP, which establishes a virtual connection between a destination and a source. Coming to the next slide, we are having IP by itself is something like the postal system, and on other hand, we are having it allows you to address a package and drop it in the system, but there's no direct link between you and the recipient. Thus, TCP IP, on the other hand, establishes a connection between two hosts so that they can send messages back and forth for a period of time. So, what is the purpose of IP? So here it need a standard means of communication between devices can't communicate if speaking two different languages. Therefore we have a concept called a protocol. So on the next slide we are having what is a protocol. So rules of conventions explaining how something must be done used to describe how device can communicate. Protocol also defines the format of data that is being exchanged. If we both utilize the same protocol, then you know how to format data. So I will understand it, and I know how to format data. So you will understand it. So in the other hand of purpose of the IP, we are having the Internet Protocol defines the basic unit of the data transfer, that is IP datagram, and IP software performs the routing functions, and IP includes a set of rules that process the data. The idea of unreliable packet delivery. So inside the unreliable packet delivery, we are having how host and routers should process packets, and how and when error messages should be generated, and the conditions under which packets can be discarded. So construction of datagrams contains each datagram has two components, that is a header and a payload. We can see here that a header, and that is the data, and that can be called as a payload, and both of these makes a packet. So in the IP services, we are having a delivery service of IP is a minimal, and IP provides an unreliable connectionless based effort services. So unreliable means IP does not make an attempt to recover lost packets, and connectionless here as defining as each packet is handled independently, and best effort shows that IP doesn't make guarantees on the services. No true output, no delay guarantee. So coming to the next slide, we are having IP service, and IP service support the following services: one to one, that is unicast; one to all, that is broadcast; and one to several, that is multicast. So in unicast, that is one to one delivery. In the broadcast, there is one to all delivery, and in the multicast, it is uh, depending on which we want to connect. So in the OSI reference model, we are having 7 layers. and OSI refers for Open System Interconnection Reference Model. So it splits communication system into 7 layers, and each layer performs their task and passes the data to the next layer. So the 7 layers are here. The layer 1 is physical, the layer is 2 is data link, the layer 3 is network, the layer 4 is transport layer, layer 5 is station layer, layer 6 is presentation layer, layer 7 is application layer. And orientation of internet protocol, that shows that IP is a network protocol. Okay, so IP is divided inside uh, the different protocols that are TCP, UDP, ICMP, IGMP, ARP, network access. So these are the different protocol on different layers, as IP is having a connectivity inside that. That is, it is connected with TCP and UDP in transport layer, and it is connected with ICMP, IGMP in network layer, and it is connected with ARP and network access in data link layer. Coming to the next slide, we are having physical layer, and this are the description about the physical layer. This layer deals with the hardware of network, and physical layer, hardware cables, connections, hubs, repeaters, connectors. These are coming inside the physical layer, and function managing scaling to and from the physical network connections. So these are coming inside the physical layer. So with the orientation of internet protocol, we are ending this session. So hope you like this session so much. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you like my video, uh, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.